here's my Renault app. So, if you own Renault cars, definitely check it out. It's all in one app. Remote control for a vehicle, pass and income and maintenance, which you can schedule and book right in the app. Guides, assistant, charge and temperature programming, simplified charging experience. Always keep your Renault at your fingertips with the My Renault application, designed to accompany and enrich the usage of your Renault vehicle. My Renault is here for all your daily mobility needs and improves your journey by offering numerous features and personalized offers. Enjoy simplified charge management, manage vehicle with ease, and then you can just open it up and then here is you just create an account, or you can just view some guides. So for example, you have this kind of car, and then there is the guide. And that's basically, you can view documentation, you can scan, you can see warning lights. Basically, this is just a simple guide, but you can also call assistant, and obviously you can just create an account. So just bringing your attention, pretty cool app if you wanna manage your car a bit faster.